Hello children, in this first video of civics chapter constitution design, you will come to know how and why constitution was designed in South Africa and India. Children, in this video, you will see the social, political and economic condition of both countries, means India and South Africa, and how both countries design their constitution. In this chapter, you will come to know about democratic constitution in South Africa. Second, why do we need constitution? Third, making of Indian constitution. Fourth, guiding value of constitution. Just to develop your interest, children, and to keep your interest alive, firstly, I would like to explain you what is constitution. Constitution is a set of written rules that are accepted by all people living together in a country. It is the supreme law that determines the relationship among people living in a territory and also the relationship between the people and government. Children, you will be surprised to know that all powers and functions, rules and regulations, traffic system, police and court and many other institutions are functioning under the guideline of constitution. So naturally, it will generate a degree of trust and coordination among the people. It has specifies, children, it refers to the constitution powers of the government and how it should function. It limits the power of the government and ensure certain rights of the people. Students, many time in board exam, question comes that why do we need constitution? As you know, in our country, we have diverse culture and different religious people. So, the only way to build and maintain among the diverse group of people having differences of opinion and interest is to write down some rules that everyone should obey. Means every community, Hindu, Muslim, should obey the constitution's rules. It is necessary to limit the power of the elected government list it may so that it may not misuse the power. Third point, if you see, these rules safeguard the rights of the people. Means here you can take it as fundamental right, fundamental duties. Students, now it will be more clear to you from the story or history of South Africa. Let's see the history of South Africa. Children, do you remember the role of Mahatma Gandhi in getting Indians independence? He is known as father of nation. Rashtrapita means. In same way, I am talking about South Africa. Nelson Mandela played important role in getting independence in South Africa, and he fought against apartheid. His whole movement was based on non-violence. In South Africa, he is known as second Mahatma Gandhi. You see his photo and thought, see his thought, what he has written. There can be no greater gift than that of giving one's time and energy to help others without expecting anything in return. And children, right hand side, are you seeing that map of South Africa? Its capital is Pretoria. Let's see black people's struggles. So here you will see the black people struggles against apartheid. During 18th and 19th century, white people came from Europe. Near about 150 million people migrated all over the world. And what they did? European people occupied South Africa and exploited everything in South Africa. And at that time, South Africa was known for mineral resources, especially diamond. And then European people settled there, made black people slave, bonded labor. They were being exploited badly by the white people. Not only they exploited, but also white people applied system of apartheid which divided country into three groups. You can see first group was white. White especially refers to the European people. Second, black. especially refers to the native people who were living in South Africa. They were black in color. Then colored people only migrated from India, or you can take it as a Asian people. Then see how the story get changed. Then Nelson Mandela took command of his country to fight against apartheid. He was most able, efficient, and foresighted leader of Africa National Congress. Children, he was known as second Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa. He fought against apartheid during white South African government. This annoyed the white government. White government took steps and he was tried for treason. He and 7 other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment and he was sent to jail. There he spent 28 years in prison. 28 years, children. 28 years in prison from 1964 to 1992. Dreaded prison of Robbins Island. Let's see in detail. Children, you will be wondered that apartheid system was imposed by white European people during 17th and 18th century. Unlike India, a large number of white had settled in South Africa and become the local ruler. Means white people, they were ruling over the black. They were considering black people as a slave. The system of apartheid divided the people and labeled them on the basis of their skin color. Children's skin means they were the racist children. The native people of South Africa are black in color. It will be clear to you from this slide. Apartheid shown people were a system of racial discrimination unique to South Africa. You can see black people, white, and colored, especially about Asian peoples. Children, the apartheid system was very oppressive for the black. Black were segregated by different way, methods, and under several policies. Means several policies they had adopted to torture the black peoples. They were forbidden from living in white areas. Mean they were not allowed to go in white areas where the white peoples were living. They could work in white areas only if they had permit or permission. They were discriminated while using public properties like in college, school, hospital, parks, cinema, and theaters, and in public transportation. See, children, black could not visit church where white worships, and this system was called segregation. Children, see strange thing that black could not form association or protest against white terrible treatment. Moreover, white were treating black and colored people as a slave or bonded labor. Moreover, children, you will be shocked to see, means you will be surprised to see these posters. You just read what is written on the poster and think about white people. If you see in this poster native Indians and colored, if you enter these premises at night, you will be listed as missing. Means if you go somewhere in the white areas where the white peoples are living, you will found missing. Armed guard shoot the on site. Savage dogs devour the cause. Means you will be killed there, and the wild dog they will eat you up. And if you see next right hand side figure, this beach was specially reserved for the white people. So you can see how the white people they were treating the black peoples. And if you see in this also the the protest increased. The racist government realized that they could no longer keep the black under repression. Means everywhere the native people, means black people, they were protesting against the white people's policies. So everywhere there was a struggle, there were movements against the white people. After long After long bloodshed and struggle, it was clear that the white government could not hold or control black and colored people. And since 1950, the black and the colored people fought against the apartheid and discrimination system. They launched, they protest, they marched and strike against the brutal policies, means white people's policies. At last, ANC was formed, which was the umbrella organization. ANC refers to African National Congress. An umbrella organization refers to all small parties which join the African National Congress. Then ANC led the struggle against the policies of segregation and apartheid. Children, you can see in this slide African National Congress. First point, if you see, since 1950, black, colored, and Indian fought against this system. Second point means in umbrella organization, including, see, who are included in this umbrella organization? Umbrella organization is nothing, it is African National Congress Party, Worker Union, Communist, Sensitive Whites joined them, and several other countries denounced apartheid as unjust and racist. In 1964, in 1964, Nelson Mandela and seven other leaders were sentenced to life imprisonment. But still, the white racist government continued to rule by torturing and killing thousands of black and colored. At last, white government, due to native, means black people, white, and international pressure, decided to design a constitution in which all South African people can live amicably, means friendly, and can work together for the development of their country. One thing more, children, I want to tell you, in the world, the South African country was known as racist government, means no other countries are giving respect to South African or South Africa because of their discrimination policy. So see what at the midnight of 26th April 1994, the Republic of South Africa, means a multi-racial government, means black, white and colored people, was born. And see children, black people big hearted, means you can see their big heart. The black forgave the white. Both the black and white decided to build a new South Africa based on equality of all races, on democratic values, social justice, and human rights. After 2 year discussion, means this constitution was not made in 1 or 2 days. After 2 year discussion and debates, they draw a common constitution, means they designed a constitution, this is the topic of your chapter also, and gave to its citizen the most extensive right available in any other country. Means it was the finest and the best constitution ever made in the world. And the new national flag of the Republic of South Africa was unfurled. This apartheid government came to an end, paving way for the formation of multi-racial government. If you see, later on, racist government changed their policy, or you can say the white people, they were forced, they were born to change their policies which were against black and colored people, means they were moving toward democratic structure or system. And if you see, first point, discriminatory laws were repealed, means they were being removed. Second point, if you see, ban on political parties and restriction on the media were lifted, means just like you can see in our country, multi-party system, media free to talk against or in favor of government. So the same system came in South Africa. Nelson Mandela, last point if you see, was released from jail after 28 years of imprisonment. At last, if you see, together means white and black people decided that nobody should be excluded. Second point, no one should be treated as a demon or devil. Means earlier they were taking black and colored people as a second class citizen or as a slave. Means badly they were treating us. They were considering us equal to dog. Both agreed at last, both agreed. Both means a black and white people that everybody should be become part of solution. It inspired Democrats all over the world. Thus, they built a new South Africa, South African constitution based on equality of all races, men and women. At last, children, both decided to heal the past and establish the society based on democratic values, social justice, and fundamental human rights. Children, now I do hope you have understood the chapter why we needed constitution, what is importance of constitution. In next video, I will explain you about South Africa's constitution, preamble, and at last what is said by the first president of South Africa, Nelson Mandela. Till then, thank you. Take care.